Today, I'm showing you how to install all your favorite Windows software on a new PC in just one click. It's completely free and safe. Whether you just reinstalled Windows or bought a new computer, this will save you hours of setup time. Head over to your computer and open any web browser that is on it. Here, type in Ninite.com. This is a trusted site that lets you select multiple essential apps and installs them all at once automatically. Just tick off what you need: Chrome, VLC, Sumatra PDF, WinRAR, Skype, Notepad++, Python, and more. Over 90 plus options. After selecting your apps, click the Get Your Ninite button. You'll download a small installer file. This file does all the work for you. It installs everything in the background, no toolbars, no pop-ups, no junk. Super clean. Double-click that file and let it work its magic. You don't even need to click Next on each setup. It also skips anything already installed and keeps your apps up to date when you rerun it. You can even put the installer on a flash drive and use it for multiple PCs. For IT technicians, this is a huge time saver. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss time-saving tech tips like this. Drop a comment if you want more automation tricks.